Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you through how to log into Discord with your token. For that, open any browser, then click on the discord.com on the top, and then you will see login option. Hit on that. From there, click on the three dots from the top right corner and go through the more tools and then select developer tools. From the top, select application and then go through the local storage. Under the section of local storage, you will see an option of discord.com. Go through it and scroll down, and at last add token and paste your token just on the right. Once you paste it over here, your Discord will be opened. So in this very easy step, you can easily log into Discord with your token. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.